Hi everyone and welcome to Sam Desire. My name is Wando and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute bow Kumihimo. So the measurements for this are on the screen. You need a Kumihimo disc, and unfortunately I lost the clip of me making the loop, so I'm just going to jump to what happens after the loop, but I'll leave a link to a tutorial above for you to see that. So from where I am now, I've already made my loop and I'm just going to try to cinch it together. And I'm also going to make sure I include those two tiny strings that are supposed to be in the middle, or my not so tiny brown string too. So to do that, I'm going to also pick the string that I use for the loop. That's one side. I'm going to pick the other side, which is what I use mainly, the one that was extended. I'm going to use that one to make another backward forward knot over all the strings together, both the left and the right sides together. That's going to give it a very good cinch into it. And in case you don't know how to do that, you should please click the link above for the loop, please. I'm sorry. Please make sure that all the strings are captured when you make your backward forward knot. So in order to avoid a situation where you have your loop later and you have one part of it sticking out, you do not want that to happen. And this is currently what we have, and now I'm just going to put it on my disc. I got my Kumihimo disc from AliExpress. You can choose to get yours from anywhere or you could make yours. Now we're going to be doing this according to the picture that's going to pop up on the left side. We're going to arrange it in sets of twos with two spaces in between each, two empty spaces in between each. So according to the picture, right, we need to do the first two to be black. I usually start from one, but if you're using a cardboard Kumihimo disc, you probably don't have numbers, so you can just start from wherever you feel is comfortable. I start from one so I know exactly where I am later and how to calculate it. So I'm going to go into 1, 2, I'm going to skip 3 and 4, I'm going to go into 5 and 6, and I'm going to skip 6 and 7, going into 8 and 9, and I'm just going to continue like that. And remember, the most important thing when you're doing Kumihimo disc is just like when you're making a Frenchy bracelet, yeah? But the difference is you have to make sure the colors match up exactly to the image. You don't want, even if it's just one side to be switched, you're not going to get the same pattern. So you need to make sure that you're following, not me, don't follow me, follow the picture. Just remember to keep two spaces in between each. Don't follow me, I can make a mistake. I have done that multiple times during videos, so make sure that you follow the picture. And now that I am done with that, I made a mistake when I was cutting my strings earlier and made my string that was supposed to be half to be a full length. So I'm just going to quickly cut that off and move on. So I'm going to grip not just that, I'm also going to grip the multicolored string that I'm using. That's the one that's supposed to be like orange, or sorry, white according to the picture. So I'm also going to cut that too. I'm not going to cut it short enough that you can't see it anymore. I'm just going to cut it so small that it's not going to affect anything when it comes to like knotting. It's going to be like stuck in the middle regardless of what I do. So now make sure to run your fingers through your entire strings. It should have no knots. You don't want any knots. So now we're going to start. So we're going to take the top right down and then the bottom left up. So what we did was we took 1 down to 16 and we're going to take 18 up to 32. So let's do it again. Take 6 down to 20, top right down, take 22 up to 4, bottom left up. Did you get that, or am I too fast? Let's do it again. So bottom left up. Now we're going to turn anti-clockwise. Turn to your left. Let's do it again. Top right down, bottom left up. Turn to your left. Top right down, bottom left up. Top right down, bottom left up, and turn to your left. And if you want to take a quick break, leave the top right down so you have 3 down and 1 up. And thirdly, that is going to be it for this tutorial. I just want to give you a little bit of a sad news at the end. So I got an email notification on the 10th of January that was telling me my channel is probably going to be demonetized. That is sad to say, but yeah, so you guys might see more or you might see less of me depending on how I take the news. That being said, remember to detangle your strings, keep knotting, and well, hope you guys have a nice day. And for the people that told me to show them my finished bracelets, I haven't completed one yet, but like this is the one I had on the needles before for another tutorial that I deleted because it was not looking very good. And the picture you saw at the beginning and this bracelet is the one that I have completed. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a nice day, and please keep me in your mind or watch more videos from me. Thank you.